Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Hugging Face LLMs in N8n. This integration allows you to leverage powerful language models directly within your N8n workflows, making it easy to automate tasks that require natural language processing or AI-generated responses. First, navigate to n8n.io in your browser and enter your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your N8n dashboard. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to get started with building your workflow. You'll now be directed to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here, you'll notice two options for creating your workflow. You can either build it manually using the Add First Step option, or you can choose to build with AI. For our purposes today, we'll be working manually to have full control over the setup. To integrate Hugging Face LLM into your N8n workflow, right-click anywhere on the editor canvas. This will bring up a menu where you should click on Add Node. Once you do that, you'll see a search bar appear at the top. Type in LLM in this search bar. From the results that appear, look for basic LLM chains and click on it to add this node to your workflow. A configuration window will pop up immediately after adding the node. In this window, click on Add Prompt. This will reveal a message field where you can type in the specific message or describe the services you'll be using this LLM for. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple and just use a tutorial LLM as our example. Now look at the bottom part of this configuration window where you'll see a plus button. This is the crucial step where we'll be adding Hugging Face to our workflow. Click on that plus button and a right side panel will appear. In this panel, locate Hugging Face Inference Model. You can either scroll through the options or use the search bar again to find it quickly. Once you've located it, click on Hugging Face Inference Model to proceed. From the parameters field that appears, you'll need to set up your credentials. Click on the credential to connect with drop-down menu and select Create New Credential. This field requires API keys from Hugging Face, so let's head over to get those. Open a new tab and go to your Hugging Face dashboard. Once you're on your Hugging Face dashboard, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile dropdown. Click on it and select Settings from the menu that appears. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Hugging Face account. From the settings menu, locate Access Tokens on the left navigation panel and click on it. Under the Access Tokens page, you'll see a Create New Token button on the top right part of your screen. Click on it to begin generating your API key. You'll need to enter a token name that helps you identify what this token is for. This is especially helpful if you plan to create multiple tokens for different projects. Next, make sure to click on all the checkboxes under the Inference section. This ensures that your token has the necessary permissions to work with language models. Once you've done that, scroll down and click on Create Token. You'll now be presented with your Hugging Face API key. Click on Copy to save it to your clipboard. Then head back to your N8n Workflow Editor screen. Back in N8n, simply paste the API key you just copied into the API field under the Credentials section and click on Save. Your Hugging Face LLM is now successfully connected to your N8n workflow, and you can start using it to process natural language tasks, generate content, or build AI-powered automation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.